welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to talk about keywords in Python. So before we write any start typing anything down, what exactly are keywords? Why are they used? Why you should respect keywords, and why you should even know what keywords are. First thing about it, what are keywords? Keywords are just reserved words. They are exceptional words you should not play around with. They are words that comes with any programming language. They are words that helps you to achieve a particular task. So I can put it like that. For those words, for example, let me give you an example. Words like is. Well, if you're still getting it confusing, I want to do a little bit typing and get it straight. But just know that what you keep in your mind that keywords are those special words that Python makes use of. Not only Python, other programming language make use of them. One thing about keywords that you can't use them as a variable. Use them as a variable. And what is a variable? Variable is something that used to store data. Don't worry if you are getting it complicated. I talked about variable one of my videos, so just make sure to check that video. Keywords, like I said, keywords are just reserved words. How many keywords are there actually? Python as of now, this is December 2024. As of now, I know that variables are actually close to 35. So keywords are at least close to 35. So what are examples of keywords actually? Let me give you an example of keyword. Like in Python, have the if. You can use if as a variable, or let's say else. You can use it as a variable. Have if. Can use come on. If have let's see. Let me look at and talk about that one. Let's see. Why have is. So there are just many of them. Like as you can see on my screen, I'll list a whole lot of them. What keyword? A lot of them on my screen right now. So I can get to know more of them. Keywords, they can, like I mentioned earlier, can use it as a variable. They're not used for special purposes or particular tasks. So that's how just what keywords are. I think with this, I think we'll come to the end of this video. This video is going to be short. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Here's a recap of what we talked about. What are keywords? Are those reserved words that Python make use of. Another thing, you can use them as variable. To the end of the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share. So see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.